Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and Christmas came early for me. I am so excited. McKees 37 just came out with this amazing new bundle kit for the Flex 3401, and I have had my eye on this machine since I started detailing 3 years ago. I started out with the Meguiar's MT300, then I moved up to the GG6. I've also added to my arsenal the Max Shine 15mm long throw, the Pro version. I also have a 21mm long throw from Raindrops Detailing Supply, and for a majority of the time, those polishers have been able to give me fantastic results, but I have been looking for something that will just decrease the amount of time that is required to get exceptional results. Sometimes I have to use a combination of polishers and keep switching things out. Sometimes the 21mm throw is the power I need, but the size is too big, or the GG6 is the perfect amount of throw, but I just need a little bit more punch to it. For the most part, it's fantastic, but all of those polishers, sometimes they can stall, and that is a huge issue for me. So I am so excited that I have the Beast now. I am excited to test it out. We're going to be doing some demo videos in the future. Once I get my sister's van in here, I can kind of show you guys even how something as powerful as this can work on soft Honda paint. We were able to get some of the new red line polishing pads that they have, as well as the polishing pad cleaner and polishing pad conditioner. Two fantastic products in and of by themselves, but the fact that all of this came as a kit that is now on sale, I am so excited. So I'm going to put the link down below for you guys to check this bundle, this kit out. If any of you are in the market for the Flex 3401, or you're looking for top of the line polisher, you're looking to get exceptional results, this is a polisher you're going to want to check out. I've seen tons of videos from Brian over at Apex Detail and just multiple other professional polishers or detailers, and they all pretty much say this is their go-to machine. And so I'm excited to finally feel like I'm a part of the club, and I'm excited to be showing you guys some videos in the future on how well this machine works. So sorry, I was excited. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If any of you are in the market looking for this amazing machine, head over to McKees 37. They've got a great bundle kit, intro kit to get some polishing pads, some really great high quality microfibers, and then their polishing pad conditioner and cleaner. This product right here is fantastic. It's just a great way to quickly clean your polishing pads, and then this just kind of helps break in your pads properly, but you're not necessarily putting anything that's going to be harmful to the paint or the polishing product. So thanks for watching. We're going to keep moving, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.